ndumva namusubiza jewe ujya n'umudisciple wanje
those people who are trying to follow me,
akimurikirana
n'umwigishwa
wanje
he will still following me. He is my disciple.
Ubaze tora telefone yanje unyereke urabe ko chimamanda je ngaho mubona mu telefone yanje.
Look at my phone, you will never see me following Chimamanda.
Wenyene yaramburutse.
But he blocked himself
kubariki arazi ko ari cyo namusumvya
because he knows that he is not a servant.
Ariko jewe arankurikirana.
But he follows me.
Igihe cyose kinkurikirana.
Whenever you kill,
you are a dog.
You are still criticizing me. You are down. You are big. You are big. You are big. You are big. Another thing. For those who join, I give you a last warning. If he keeps doing on 25, I won't kill him, but he will get some difficulties.
Not
that.
No. Subut.
The Bible allows me to say it. They know the truth of what I'm saying. The Holy Spirit gives me confirmation of what I'm prophesying. He gives me infallible proofs. The Holy Ghost. Are you a servant of God? Pacifique, are you a
wherever you are,
wherever are you a servant of God? Are you a servant of God? Joke with others, but not with a prophet of God. I will never cease speaking. I will say it I have formed like an overseer in Dubai. And you tell me, don't say again a Christ, a King of Kings who dwells in me. Servants of the Lord, I thank you. And I take a good time to thank